Night had settled over the North Atlantic. The sea was eerily calm, its surface as smooth as polished glass. With no moon to light the horizon, the darkness concealed a deadly threat waiting just ahead. At 11:40 p.m., Lookout Frederick Fleet spotted something directly ahead. A towering iceberg emerged from the darkness. He struck the warning bell 3 times. Then he reached for the telephone. "Iceberg, right ahead." First Officer William Murdoch reacted instantly. "Hard to starboard!" The engine telegraphs rang as the crew desperately tried to slow the massive ship. But the laws of physics could not be overcome. The warning had come too late. Most passengers felt nothing more than a slight shudder. Many barely noticed the impact at all. But beneath the waterline, disaster had already begun. Moments, freezing seawater rushed into the forward compartments. Engineers fought desperately to contain the flooding, but the ocean was already claiming the ship. Shipbuilder Thomas Andrews silently examined the damage. He calculated. He measured. Then he reached a heartbreaking conclusion. Titanic would sink. Above deck, life continued almost as normal. Passengers laughed. They talked. Some enjoyed music. Others admired the calm night sky. None of them realized that the world's greatest ocean liner had already suffered a fatal wound. Then the order was finally given. Prepare the lifeboats. Few believed they would actually be needed. Many passengers refused to leave the warmth and comfort of the ship, convinced there was no real danger. Inside the wireless room, Jack Phillips and Harold Bride worked without stopping. Distress calls echoed into the night, praying that somewhere beyond the darkness, another ship would hear them, before it was too late. One by one, the first lifeboats disappeared into the darkness. There was no turning back. The unsinkable ship had entered her final hours, and before the night was over, the North Atlantic would witness one of history's greatest tragedies. To be continued.